Introducing the all-new Stolbeck Cosmo SC. Built to end all your pain of manual wood sanding. Designed with precision, the Cosmo SC combines cutting-edge technology with unmatched durability. Its intuitive interface ensures ease of use, while advanced integrated smart processing ensures your operators never have to calculate or program the robot. This sanding robot design is an incredible breakthrough for the woodworking industry. Founded and manufactured in North America, Canada, the robot features integrated intelligent measuring, eliminating the need for computer programming, as well as intuitive design elements, making it easy to train your finishing sanders in rapid time. The Cosmo SC has built-in dust collection, touchscreen HMI interface, and an industrial-strength robotic arm with a multi-head end-of-arm tool configuration for maximum sanding capability. The Cosmo SC features lineal guide vacuum pod hold-downs, state-of-the-art HMI touchscreen display with invisible light curtains to keep your sanding operators safe. The robot's overall footprint provides a minimal impact on your shop floor space, while maximizing throughput and reducing your labor at the same time. Trusted by industry leaders, Stolbeck partners with the world-class Yaskawa Motoman Robotics for proven reliable manufacturing performance. The Cosmo SC is your global partner in achieving sanding excellence. Elevate your operations to new heights with Stolbeck. We are Stolbeck, improving the woodworking industry and the lives within it.